Did that scare you?
Just get a dog. Just get a dog.
Oh, poor little doggy. Oh yeah, we're gonna lose people. I'm gonna get lost here.
This scared the hell out of me.
We're down in Niagara on the lake for Flames Across Niagara. There. Can't see nothing. It's kind of dark out here. There's a screen over there with the movie playing. I'm going to hold on to you, Harry, because I don't want to get lost. There's too many people with the same coats on. Movie plays every half hour. Harry?
Yeah, what?
Hold my hand. I don't want to get lost. I think it's done. It goes every... Why is there smoke over there?
It's bonfire.
It smells like food. We're going over here. We'll see what's over here. Very smoky over here.
Oh, that's the steam.
Oh, it's just a steam thing.
Steam thing.
Okay. Look at the lights.
Hey, Heather, the dog jumped.
People.
The dog